Do you want to accomplish your goals, like building your ideal physique, making money, or learning that skill you have been interested in for the longest time? After that 3 a.m. motivation, it's finally weekend morning, a ton of time on your hands, and you end up in bed rotting away for 12 hours that day. Do you want to actually get shit done? Nice. A few years ago, I also was in this situation. It took me 6 months to get out of it. I want to help you out so you can do it in under 3 months. And one last thing before we dive in, only you can make this work. Get it? Let's get to it. When you finally want to get to work, you just want to chill for a while. You came from school, so it was a rough day. Just watch one TikTok. 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours.
Damn.
You just wasted 2 hours on your phone. Now you finally sat behind your computer. You just check your phone if anyone texted. You saw that one funny reel. Cycle repeats. You must break the pattern. First things first, clean your room, especially the place where you look. Then finally, the most effective way to break the pattern. If you put your phone on the table where you work or on your bed where you crawl after 5 minutes of work, you are doing it wrong. Just put it somewhere else, close any other tabs, and only leave sites where you work. I understand you can't move out to Miami to be the productive guru, but just change the way you live your life so you don't reinforce the bad habits. Work in a different room, put your phone somewhere else. Just change the way you do things usually. If you struggle with phone addiction, watch this video by me. It helped a ton of people. You can do things like preparing for work, meal prep, and mowing a lawn after the work, so you can be fully focused. Many people say you have to do these things before, so you are free after, but you will lose so much energy doing them. Do them after the heavy tasks, like lifting or building your business. You will remove the friction, or in other words, distractions. Did you see that crucial mistake in the first step? You didn't have a structure. Let's pick a gym for the example. You can go now or in the evening. Of course, it's a personal preference, but you should go as soon as possible. Why? Your plans can change, or you become distracted like before. By doing things as soon as possible, you increase the chance of getting them actually done. You don't need to have your day planned out to the last minute. Just have some structure. Around when do you start to work? Do you go training before that? Just be organized. Let's go back to the start of this video. Do you remember when I said only you can make this work? In the first 3 segments, I helped you to destroy the friction, meaning making it easier to get to the work. But the most important step is just to start. You can watch as many videos on procrastination, but it won't help you if you don't take action. Just get to it. One quick question. If you are struggling in your life and want to change your situation, join the free newsletter in the description. I won't spam you. The goal now is an email a week. You will get mail that will change your life. And I want to give extra sauce to those who are dedicated. Enjoy the video. Let's get to the work. You probably experienced the feeling of time passing faster and your surroundings disappearing while focusing on the work. So to get into this so-called flow state, it's all about being fully focused on something, not thinking about what is for dinner, just working on the task while 1 hour feels like 5 minutes. But how to get in and stay? To get into the flow, you just need to do something for at least a quarter of an hour. You can learn to turn into flow in the blink of an eye. How to stay? Simple. Just remove distractions and be fully focused. Painting? Just hold the brush while looking strictly on the canvas and make art. Writing? Just stay in Word and write for hours. Simple. Just focus and don't get distracted. Let me tell you one thing in the end. It'll get easier with time. Yes, getting started is hard, but it will get easier. Imagine it like rolling a ball up a mountain. It's hard to push it up, but it's easier when it's rolling down. It's only up to you. How steep will you make it? From personal experience, it will get easier when you do it repeatedly, and even more when you start to see results.